Mac spent theirs fighting for their life. However, to celebrate completing his cancer treatment,
If you could have one wish for anything in life, what would it be?
Skiing.
And we're here! All right, last one down's a raw egg.
The day that we got the diagnosis, Matt grabbed my hand. He said, "Mom, this might be hard, but I'm gonna be okay."
You did it!
and that was just the first of 100 wishes not just I, but we will be granting in this video. The world's biggest creators, chart-topping musicians, award-winning actors, legendary athletes like LeBron James. Yes, LeBron James is literally in this video. All of us have joined together to make these wishes come true. But for our next wish, River just wanted to meet me, but I wanted to take it up a notch.
That button is hot. When you press it, a massive explosion will go off. How does that make you feel?
Nervous.
Yeah?
Me too.
Same.
Subscribe. That was awesome.
And because the most popular wish in the world is the most magical place on Earth,
The 30 of you get Disney World to yourselves. All right, you guys ready to go ride some rides? Is this your first time here? Aw.
It's about to be so cool.
It's gonna be the best day ever.
No lie, everyone, just go straight on the ride. Is this a bad time to say I hate roller coasters? But oh, whoa.
and while some of them wanted to ride their favorite rides,
Let's go ride the carousel.
or meet their favorite characters, a few just wanted to see Tariq get traumatized.
All right, okay. Oh my God, this has been a ton of fun, but we still got a lot more people to make happy.